Sveiki! Today I want to start helping you to understand how prefixes and prepositions work together. So I give you a lesson about prefixes, and now I will tell you about some prepositions, how they go together, how they work together. So, for example, we have a prefix nu. Nueiti or nuvažiuoti, to go and to reach something. For example, to go to town. Nuvažiuoti į miestą. In this case, prefix nu goes with the preposition į, to. Į miestą. And when we have preposition į after, it goes a accusative case. Į ką, į miestą. So, we put together prefix nu, preposition į, and accusative case. Vakar nuvažiavau į miestą. Yesterday I went to town. Or it could be vakar važiavau į miestą. Yesterday I was going to town. And nuvažiavau, it means I reached, I was there. And if I say važiavau, I was going, and we don't know did I reach it or no, or not, but I was going. Okay, let's go to prefixes and prepositions. Nuvažiuoti nuo kalno. Nuvažiuoti nuo kalno. To go down, nuvažiuoti, it's to go down, nuo, from, kalno, mountain. Nuvažiuoti nuo kalno, it means to go down by transport from the mountain, down from the mountain. Nuvažiuoti nuo. And kalno, it's genitive case. Prefix nu, preposition nuo, and genitive case. Įeiti, so we have prefix į. Įeiti į parduotuvę. So prefix į, preposition į, and we use accusative case. Jis įėjo į parduotuvę. He entered the shop. He went into the shop. Į, preposition į, and prefix į, and accusative case. Papasakoti apie gyvenimą. Papasakoti, to tell, apie, about, gyvenimą, life. Prefix pa, preposition apie, and accusative case. Įlipti į kalną. To climb the mountain. Prefix į, preposition į, and accusative case. Nulipti nuo kalno. To descend from the mountain. To come down from the mountain. Nu, prefix nu, preposition nuo, and genitive case. Susitikti su draugu. Susitikti su draugu. Prefix su, preposition su, and instrumental case. To meet a friend. It's like to meet with a friend. Su, it's with. To meet a friend would be susitikti draugą without a preposition su, with. But when we say susitikti su draugu, it means to meet with a friend. In English we say to meet a friend. Susitikti su draugu. if we have preposition su, after we use instrumental case. So I gave you some examples how prefixes and prepositions work together, and you can see that it's not so difficult when we say susitikti su. Su. Preposition and prefix is the same. Susitikti su draugu. O įeiti į. Preposition į and prefix į. Nulipti nuo. Nuo. It's similar. It's not a big difference. Užlipti ant. O we have another one. Užeiti už. Užeiti už namo. To go behind the house. Užeiti už namo. Prefix už and preposition už. And genitive case. Už namo. To go behind the house. Pasislėpti už namo. To hide. Prefix pa. Pasislėpti už namo. To hide behind the house. Prefix pa and preposition už. And the same genitive case. So we made another step to the Lithuanian language. I'm happy you are still learning Lithuanian, and I'm here to help you. Iki kito karto.